Hello everyone, I'm Himanshi Jongla from Banarsi Das Chandiwala Institute of Physiotherapy. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate exercises for flat foot. So flat foot is a condition in which the normal arches inside your foot becomes low, missing or flat. This gives your foot a flat appearance with the entire sole of the foot contacting the ground. This is a common condition affecting 30% of the population and causing symptoms in 1 in 10 individuals. Usually, both the feet are affected by this condition, but it is possible to have flat feet in one feet only. Flat foot can be caused by the variety of the factors. It may be because of the injury, obesity, aging, genetics, or arthritis or rheumatoid arthritis, poor foot muscle mechanics, and inappropriate shoe wears and ineffective postures and incorrect techniques during the sports, and at times it may be contributed by the pregnancy also. Importance or benefits of these exercises. It is important to care for flat foot properly since they can lead to stress, pain or imbalance in other parts of your body such as your ankle, your knee, your hip or your back. So working towards to treat the flat foot may also helps you to bring your entire body into the correct alignment. These can help to treat the other issues that may be caused because of the flat foot. So aim to do these exercises is to perform these exercises at least 3 times a day, and you can just fit these exercises into your daily routine and perform them throughout the day. And working towards these exercises focusing on rising, lengthening and strengthening your arches. Precautions for these exercises. Perform these exercises at least 3 times per week and hold the stretches for 1 minute at least for the strength exercises, and do 2 sets of 10 repetitions, and make sure that there is no pain during and after the exercises, and if it is there, then in that case please immediately stop and seek out for help. Short foot exercise. Sit in a chair with the foot on the floor and the toes pointed forward. Keep the toe flat on the ground. Slide the front of the foot back along the floor towards the heel. Hold the short foot position for 5 to 10 seconds and relax, and repeat 10 times on each foot. It is important to keep the heel in neutral position and not to let the toes curl or lift off the ground. When done correctly, the ball of the foot and the heel stays in contact with the ground while the arch lifts. Calf stretch. Stand facing on the wall with both the hands on the wall for balance. Extend the leg to be stretched behind with the knees straight and toes pointed forward. Keep the back of the leg straight and toes pointed forward. Keeping the back of your leg, hold the stretch in the calf of the back leg. Hold the stretch for 30 to 60 seconds. Repeat 4 times in each leg. Precautions to make sure stretch effective. It is important to not let the foot pronated or roll inwards during the stretch. Heel raises. The exercise is done standing on both the legs with the hands placed on the wall for balance. Stand with feet about a shoulder width apart. Raise the heels off the ground as high as possible, keeping even pressure across the front of the foot. Hold for 1 to 2 seconds at the top of the movement, then return slowly to the standing position. Do 2 sets of 10 to 20 repetitions. Toe yoga. Lift the big toe up while pressing the other 4 toes down. Hold for 5 seconds. Then press the big toe down while lifting the other 4 toes up. Hold for 5 seconds. Repeat the sequence 10 times on each foot. Towel curls. Sit in a chair with the towel under your feet. Root your heels into the floor as you curl your toes to scrunch up the towel. Press your toes into your foot, hold for a few seconds and release. Make sure to keep the ball of your foot pressed into the floor or a towel to maintain the awareness of arch of your foot being strengthened. Do 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions. Lifestyle and home remedies. Rest. Avoid the activities that aggravate your condition. Medication, over the counter, pain relievers might help. Losing weight. Weight reduction can decrease the stress on your feet. Using the arch support. Over the counter arch supports might increase your comfort, and use the arch supports until the arch normalizes, and use the arch support. They can help in decreasing the stress on your feet, such as custom design medial arch support. These are available as per the shoe size and can be modified by the orthopedist, or they can be custom made by the orthopedists. And medial arch insert. These are made up of the silicone and can be placed inside the shoes below the flattened arch. And shoe modification. Shoe modification. The shoes can be modified by creating a rise inside the sole of the shoe.